Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to factory reset iPhone before selling your iPhone, how to erase it, completely erase it. So first open settings, scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here you'll find erase all content or reset. Now on the next screen select erase all content and settings. A list will appear detailing the item that will be removed. If you'll tap on erase all content and settings, it will give you the list for apps and data, Apple account, or find my activation log. Choose which you want to completely remove it and tap on continue button. And when prompted, tap on erase iPhone option. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm it. Allow your iPhone to erase all data and perform the factory reset. This may take few minutes depending on the amount of data stored. Once the factory reset is complete, you can either set up iPhone again or hand it to over the new owner who can sign in with their Apple account or transfer their account. So that's it. That's how you'll do it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.